In this blower motor resistor removal video, I'm going to show you how to do it a couple different ways. The first way, and there's the resistor back here, is going to be to take it out without any further disassembly. And it's a struggle because of the way this thing is mounted. Then I'm going to show you briefly what it looks like taking it out with the windshield, front windshield wiper assembly removed. Okay, got limited space to deal with here, of course. So we're going to try to depress this tab. And unplug it, and we got it pretty much. There it is, unplugged. Get the plug out of the way. Now the trick on this is to get one side open first. So I've got this side already out. Now we need to get behind it. And to do that, what I'm using here, I've got a knife, dinner knife, table knife, that I've bent at a right angle, so I can get that back behind here now. Kind of release the tab on the other side to kind of feel for it. And now I get that one out. And this side is still in. This side should be a little bit easier to get. Now you wish in a case like this I would have just used a couple of screws. There, it's out. Okay, and there you see it. Kind of diabolical design here. These little catches on each side that grab on these ears here. You can see them sticking in there. Unbelievable. Okay, so we'll just take our resistor, fit it into the opening. Okay, this is a two-handed operation. I'm trying to hold the camera. Not really working out. Now this is an operation that's just a whole lot more easier if you take out the wiper assembly. There it is, finally, and it's in there. Now it's just a matter now of just plugging it in. Okay, so there, we've replaced the blower motor resistor in this Dodge Caravan. It's a lot easier to unplug it this way as well. Squeeze the tab and unplug it. Okay, now with one side out, about the only way to get the other one is to get in here. I'm in here with a dental pick, with a rounded dental pick. And then I can pull this thing out. And you can see again, these hold it in over these tabs. So kind of designed it for one way, to go in easily and stay there. Getting it out is a whole nother matter. Blower motor resistor. So putting this back in, we have to slide it. These tabs are so close together that the entire body slides over them. When you get it in place, just kind of a snap fit. Plug it in. You're back in business. Okay, thanks for watching this blower motor resistor video. I'm going to run it a little now. It's running fine at all speeds. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Up in the upper right hand corner I have a link posted to a donation tab. And if you could possibly help me out by donating a little something to this channel, I'd appreciate it. Make it possible for me to make more of this kind of material. Thank you again for watching.